Where are we now?
We're somewhere very, very windy.
Got to be there. Strong winds and light cloud.
Strong wind and light cloud.
Yeah, look, 49 mile an hour. The drone says no.
Where are we?
Mojacar.
Hey! Mojacar, as we were going to call it, but we've been told it's Mojacar. So, let me just find out where we are.
So, what do you mean so? We don't use so.
I'm not doing so.
So are for channels that are not very good. That was so us last week.
Anyway, yeah, so the wind it wasn't that great actually coming down yesterday. We've never drove down a motorway with tumbleweed flying at us, have we?
No, it was quite strange. It just getting over the border into Andalusia.
Yeah.
And it was quite barren, and there was all kinds of building going off, but the dust was just immense.
Yeah, it was just, no, it wasn't a very pleasant driving experience, let's say that. So we're on this site now, which is called El Quinto. It's just at the base of Mojacar, which we're going to go and have a look at when this wind decides to drop down a bit and the dust. It's creating a bit of a sandy storm, isn't it?
Yeah, up there you can see up there.
Just turn around and see if you can see it up there.
Wow, I'm not sure you can do it with. Let me try and
block out the sun.
But wow, yeah.
We're staying here for 3 days because the weather's supposed to be in for the next 2 days, maybe 3.
Well, I told the lady 4 nights.
Yeah, 3-4 nights. You don't want to be driving when it's gusting at 50 mile an hour. It's just not sensible, is it? So, but it's nice enough site. This is quite a lovely one, isn't it?
Well, we've spent what 4 hours doing 5 loads of washing today, so
and it's nearly all dry.
It's nearly done.
It's a great washing day.
Yeah, it's just the way it goes. Mate, Most, you're doing a bit of editing.
I am.
I just keep busy doing other bits and pieces, and then I don't get bored.
That's it. So we'll go and find out what Mojacar's like.
Mojacar's all about. I know it's all uphill.
It's a steep hill. We just want to thank the Tony's on tour. They've been here and recommended us to come and stop at this one.
Yeah.
And so yeah, apparently it's a beautiful little town. It's up on the hill. So let's get walking.
Yes, some stunning views. Let's get seeing them.
Onwards, upwards.
Yeah, it's blowing a scuttler today at 49 mile an hour. This is the site. Camping El Quinto. Nice little site actually. Barriers closed between 10 p.m. and 10 a.m. and that's when reception opens, 10 till 12, and then 5 while 7, I believe it is. But at the minute, it's completo. But yeah, nice site, great location for Mojacar for an explore. About 75 pictures. Got about 40, 48 this side, and the remainder on this side. This is reception. If you pull up just here, now reception's closed like I said, but you can see here, these are the people that's coming in onto pitch 13, 35 and 22. So your pitch numbers are allocated already depending on your vehicle size. A little bar here. This will be open at 5 when Monica gets back. Nice outside seating area. Yeah. This community kitchen belongs to all guests. Please leave it as clean as you have found it. All pots, pans, plates have to be washed and left in their place once you've finished. Please close the gas on the gas bottle once you are done. So yeah, just come and use it. That's awesome, isn't it? Although I'm not seeing any gas, but I think if you needed it, it would be in reception. Bit of table tennis, nice shady area for sit down, balls court, or as I call it, a lot know it as petang. Whoa, don't go on the course. You've stepped on the course. You're gonna get shot. But yeah, lovely area here. Here's the pool. It's not heated, it's cold in there. It really is. A couple of washers in here, no dryer. And that's it, there's the mountain. And there's a path between there somewhere for walking. And then I think the road winds its way and around that side. That's the toilet. It's all right. Been tested, no splashback. Now, the site doesn't have what we call potable drinking water to fill up your Aquaroll or your motorhome or camper, etc. But they do have this one, but they do limit it to 5 litres per person per day. But showering water, boiling water, water for washing pots, it's fine out at tap. It's just not advisable to drink it without boiling it. Right, here's us. And that's another 20 minutes for my Cassie to have to edit. Love you.
So if you stand at reception and go right at the entrance, you've got the main road up that way which takes you to Mojacar. Or this pass, if you're walking or cycling, to get you up to the top of there as well. Somehow, yeah. We're told it's clearly marked out with arrows all the way, aren't we?
Yes, red arrows.
Red arrows all the way. Hooray, red arrows.
Not the red arrows. We'll show you one when we find one.
Yeah.
Hopefully there will be one there for us.
Yeah. But it is pretty steep, we're also told as well.
12 minutes, apparently.
12 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Wind seems to have died down a little bit now, so we're...
We're sheltered, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're supposed to drop, though.
Yeah.
Here's an arrow.
Here's an arrow. So there we go. So we're going that way. At this bit, you're going left. And the start of the steepness begins.
Steep? And they're touching the floor, look. Huh? Look.
Oh dear. Why does it never come out looking as steep as what it actually feels like on the video? Oh. Might have to turn this bit off now.
Yeah.
This is why we do this bit.
Nothing to see here.
No, I don't think anybody wants to see us pant that hard. Oh dear. Just while we have a minute and show you the next bit.
Turn that off until we get round that corner.
El Panto.
View's getting better.
It is getting better. What are you doing?
Zigzagging.
Why?
It's not so steep.
You got a lot more paces to do though.
It don't matter.
Should we do one of those, put the camera down and walk past? Oh, dear.
Yeah.
Whoa.
If you're coming back to fetch it, because I'm not.
I'm not doing that either.
That's it.
I think we're there now, aren't we? Nearly.
No. We get to the bottom bit, then we need to get to the town.
Yeah. But just so you can see, the site is just down there where those
I think we'll see it better.
motorhomes are.
We're just around the corner. It's a cracker that for drone.
Yeah.
But not today or tomorrow.
It's a bit windy for that.
Yeah.
Darren said earlier, if you put the drone up, it would probably end up whizzing straight out to sea and we'll never see it again.
Yeah, it's about 50 mile an hour winds.
Yeah. Oh dear.
It's calmed it down now though, hasn't it? It's...
Yeah, just calm down a bit now, isn't it? Mojacar is divided into two different areas, the Pueblo and the Playa, which is the town and the beach.
It looks like a number of plain white cubes tossed together in an architectural wonder of singular beauty.
Wandering around the Pueblo, one can lose oneself in a mixture of medieval charm and the inheritance of Muslim past, which have joined together seamlessly in narrow streets full of noble buildings and historical sites. So let's go find it. Darren went in the lift, so I'm walking up. Whew. It's quite windy. Look at that. So apparently, and I don't know if it's true or not, but going from what we can see, we've been told that the Christmas lights are staying up till the end of January. And looking around, there's still lots and lots of lights about. So hopefully, when it gets a bit darker, there may be some lights on. It's Christmas number 3. It's like loads of like terraces everywhere, isn't it?
There's an eye bit. Cassie's thrust the camera at me to come and have a look. It's not too shabby, is it? Not too shabby.
It's like a maze of streets.
Luckily, it's
Bushcat.
hello, Pussycat. Little Pussycat. Oh, you're not frightened, are you? It's your beautiful colour, aren't you?
Jeez, look at that.
Psst, psst. Come on. This Pussycat's not bothered, look.
I think you've got a friend.
Yeah. Let's go. But that's the pretty little streets that this place is renowned for. The blues and the whites and the climbing flowers.
Yeah. Yeah.
You seen these chimneys? Because there's that many houses on top of houses. On top of houses. They have all these chimneys.
Look at that for a view.
It's quite awesome, isn't it?
At least it's not windy round this side.
Well, it's a bit of a waste of space, that one.
God, look, it goes up even higher.
But stunning view. I've got you anyway, don't be frightened. We're going down now, back into the sunshine.
Oh, just like that, the wind's back. It is so pretty. It is a pretty place, I must admit.
What's this? This is a cave, known to locals as Mariquita La Possa's Cave, or in English, the Cave of the Little Maria, the Married. I'll hold your hand. We're going up here, then we're going to the left. We're going up here, and then we're going to the left.
How far up there?
Just where that white building is, then we're going left. Hold on. She's howling through here, love. Isn't it? Oh, Jesus. No! Took my hat.
Oh, look at that. That's pretty.
Beautiful blue on that building. It's just,
Isn't it stunning?
Yeah, I don't know what blue it's called. Oh.
That's windy. That's a massive plant. You're never going to pick that one up.
Yeah, I'm not going to.
That's backbreaking to pick that one up.
It's quite heavy.
So we've decided to give this one a miss today because it really is just so windy, and it's supposed to drop tomorrow. So we're going to come back tomorrow because we want to see the lights.
But it's that time again.
Yeah.
Stupid time of day when they're all having a kid.
Yeah.
And I'm ready for a beer.
Yeah. And the other thing we thought was we haven't brought any torches.
Yeah. There's not any street lights.
No. So that's one thing to bear in mind. If you come up here, you will need to have a torch. But I'm going to put this down now anyway because it's so windy.
You what? You what?
I know.
Can't hear you. So windy.
Are we going back that way?
No, wait.